Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to talk about shared VPC. What is shared VPC? So shared VPC is nothing but it's allowed an organization to connect resource from multiple projects to a common virtual private cloud network so that they can communicate with each other securely and efficiently by using internal IP address from that network. And when you use shared VPC, let me tell you, for example, you have a designated project called a host project and attached one or more other service project to it. Then what will happen? Your common network like VPC, virtual private cloud network, in the host project, that would be in the host project. Uh, that I will show the demo how we are going to implement it. Then if your network in the host project are called shared VPC networks. So eligible resource from service project can use subnet in the shared VPC network. So primarily, as for the definition, I will be going to show you the demo, practical demo, so that you can able to understand what is shared VPC and how you are implementing in your real project. So let's go ahead and show the demo to understand the shared VPC. So quickly let me log into my account. So once we log into account, first of all, what we'll have to do, we'll have to create a just click on shared VPC, right? So here, as you can see, uh, I have already created the one shared VPC, but for the demo purpose I'll do from the scratch. So first of all, I have to create one project. That project would be a host project. So let me create one project first. So how to create project, that also I'll tell you. Go to just click on IAM and admin, then click on create a project. So his project name my demo host project. So demo host project, let me create the demo host project. Then I'll switch over to that particular project. Right, once created, as you can see, it is created. So let me switch over to the demo host project. So once you are in demo host project, what you will do, we'll have to go to the VPC network. In this host project, you have to click on continue. Here, let me, before going to do or do some activity to create a shared VPC or VPC, then what we'll have to do, we have to enable the Compute Engine API. So this is one prerequisite. So you have to enable the API. Once enabled, then what we'll do, click on VPC network, and still it is not enabled. So wait for a second. Once enabled, then it will work. So let me click on enable. As I can see, it is enabling the Compute API. Once enabled, then I will go for shared VPC option. How can the step, like you follow the steps, then definitely you can able to understand, and it's a very important video to understand the shared VPC implementation and concept, how we are using. As for the definition, once the shared VPC is configured, and in the host project you can attach the multiple service projects. So that I am going to show you in my demo. Yeah. So I think enable. Let me try. Click on yes. Now enable. So what we'll have to do first? We'll have to create a VPC in the host project. So this is my host uh, project VPC demo, right? And then you have to create a subnet. As we know that in Google Cloud, subnet is a regional resource. So let me create one subnet. My demo subnet, maybe prod environment. I just will mention the prod environment for this one. And region let me mention for US Central one for now, because subnet is a regional resource. And then let me define the IP address. Let me define the subnet mask, some higher range of subnet mask. It's done. And then dynamic routing mode, as for the business need, you can select regional or global. If your business is regional, you can select regional. If it's a global, so you can click on global. Let me click on create. So my host project VPC demo VPC, now it will create. So what our main intention to create a shared VPC. So once my VPC is created, then I'll go to create a shared VPC. So let me click on shared VPC. Now here are the actual steps, like this is my host project. Now I am going to configure the shared VPC. So first let me click on setup shared VPC. As soon as click on setup shared VPC, so you have to enable and continue. Click on enable host projects. So it's the first steps. Once it is enabled, so it will some couple of options like shared mode, share all subnet or individual subnet. So definitely we'll go for individual subnet for the best practice. So what the subnet now I created, so let me select that. So I created now, this is the subnet on my VPC, right? So let me select my demo subnet prod, right? So then click on continue. Once you click on continue, so it will display like what service project you want to attach, right? So for example, my service project, my first project and my first project, this is a default project for the demo purpose. So many project you can create for the as a service project, and you can just attach to your host project, right? So now let me select the service project and click on save. So as we can see, let me refresh, and as you can see, so attach the project. Let me click on attach project. So my other project and onto service project, let me detach from there, then I'll show you some other project. Yes, so here let me detach that attach project. Let me detach from here, and then I attach over there. So I was also creating for the demo purpose. So this was already I had one demo, and let me from the scratch, it will help you to understand. So let me detach the project. So you can attach and detach your service project with your host project. That option is also available. Make sure that you can keep in mind that that option is also there. Now switch over to my demo host project, So whenever you are going to set up a shared VPC, so it's a host project and service project concept. So as you can see, my host project, this one my host project. Now I want to attach my service project. So my service project, as you can see, this is two service project A, service project B. These two project I want to attach, right? And what network I want to provide. So the network which I created for my demo purpose, this is my network. Let me select that. So then let me click on save. So once you click on save, then it will see the reflection of the attached to service project. As you can see, my two project attached service project. So attach project, you click on attach project, so more project also you can attach, something like that. So now for example, I just created the host project and two service project attached. How you can check, you can see. Now service project A, I want to create one resource, for example. So this is my project, and now let me go to service project A or B. Let me select service project A, and then quickly create one compute engine, right here. Let me create one compute engine instance. Click on create instance. So here let me take all these default and click on the advanced option, click on the network option. So here, as you can see, the network service project. So let me select the network name here. Edit the network interface. So network interface, you have to select the shared with the host project. So this option you don't forget to select that. So network which we created, that should be display here, but shared subnetwork, my demo host project shared network, it should display here, but why it is not display my subnet? So let me quickly refresh. Generally it should be display network with this project and network shared with me from the host project, my demo. You must select the subnetwork. So let me check my subnetwork. Just quickly check my subnetwork. So here so there is a default, but in my host project network I want to my demo. Here this is my VPC, and let me check my subnetwork, and this is my demo subnet prod. This is my demo subnet. Yeah, so why it is not display? So this region US central one. So whenever we are going to create a compute engine in my service project, so let me make sure that you don't forget to this is very important point, like whenever you are going to create a compute engine, but which region is taking. As you can see, this is default region taking the US West for, but our network which I have taken for the US central one. So you have make sure that your region should be US central one. Based on your requirement, you also select that. So that's why the network was not showing over there. So let me select US central one here. US central one, yes. Now if I will go to networking part, so in the networking part, as you can see, that network will be displayed like here. If I select the network and select the network is the my host network I want to attach. My host project VPC network I want to attach with my service project. So here need to change the go to service project, then you try to create your instance. This is my service project. I want to create my VM, and the region should be US Central 1. So let me select US Central 1, then quickly go to the advanced option. So here in advanced option, check your networking, whether the network, yes. So here you have to click here. This is very important point, like, right? Then as you can see, my network I want to attach with my host project. So my demo subnet prod, this is in my host project, which I had created the subnetwork. That you have to particularly you have to select this option, right? And then we will click on create. So you can see after creation of this VM, the IP range of that particular VM IP range, it will be matched with the host project, which the subnet is already created in the host project. So let me show you once created, then we will compare it. Let me refresh. Here you can see the IP address of 10.0.0.2. So this is my service project, but if I go to my host project, my demo host project, as you can see, demo host project, and then click on your VPC network. So the networking range you can see here, click on subnet. You can see this is the IP range which is allocated the VM also from this particular IP range, whatever the subnet range which we have defined. So based on that, so let me open a duplicate page. This is my host project IP range, and then let me quickly go to my service project B, where I created one VM. So let me go to the compute engine, and as you can see, this is the same IP range, right? And the let me show you the network. If you little bit scroll down here, you can see my demo subnet prod. So where is that subnet which I created in my host project? So my network is also my host project. So host project and service project, how it is attached and communicated, the networking communication, and also if we'll click on routing, just click on APC and routes, you can see the routing option also, how it's happening. There is no routing management here. So routing management, how it is happening from the host project. So my demo host project, if I let me select the routing management, you can see the routing management is happening through the host project. As you can see over here, the network, the routing is happening here through service project to host project. So this video is typically I'm talking about how to configure the shared VPC. So let me conclude. What you will have to do: first you have to create a host project, right? Once host project created, then you create a VPC along with one subnetwork. Once it is done, then you create a shared VPC. So in shared VPC, you have to option which which network you want to use, and which project you want to attach, and which network you want to communicate. So that are these are the important thing you need to take care. First you create VPC and subnet, and once that is done, then we will come to the shared VPC. In the shared VPC creation, for example, manage all shared VPC. For example, I have only one created right now. Then load the content. As you can see, two shared VPC which I have created. So my demo shared VPC detail option, as you can see, my host project. First you create host project, then you create a if you service project already created, that will create that. Then you finally come to the shared VPC project, then create a shared VPC. Though in the shared VPC project, make sure that your network and subnet it's attached, and along with you have to attach your service project. So this is all about the shared VPC and how you will create the shared VPC, how you attach the service project with your host project. So this is all about. I hope this video will be helpful to how you can create the shared VPC and how you can implement, where you implement, how you manage host project and service project. So I hope this video will be very much helpful to you to understand the shared VPC. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more video like this.